there were hundreds of years during which the sounds of horses' hooves and bells and blacksmiths and that kind of thing were the defining sound of cities for a very long time. But now I think you're hearing sounds that come in and maybe they only last for 3 or 4 years before they already start to sound archaic. If you think about the sounds of some social media notifications or ringtones or something like that, or the sound of an electric car or that kind of thing, they're already starting to sound dated after only a few years.